just going to take you through on how easy it is to sign up to On.To for their monthly car subscription with no deposit and no credit check. So basically all you need to do is go onto their website, the www.on.to, click on join, fill in your email address and password, start registration, just put a password in. Fill in your name, number, discount referral code. So if you use this code ECC1E, you will get £50 off your first month as well. Next, you get to choose your car, and as you'll see, the price says it's £50 less than it would normally be. So let's just take you through all those cars that are available. And let's just go to the Volkswagen. You get to choose when you would like to start, as soon as possible, in the next week, month, however quickly you want it. Save and continue. You then upload a picture of your driving license and a selfie of yourself holding the driving license. It then does a check on you on the driving license and that for you, before it takes you to the next section, which is your driving history. It'll just ask you the normal questions. Save and continue. You then put your payment details in. This is where your money will come from, and also it's how they do their ID check. There's no credit check or anything, so once this has all gone through, you'll get a confirmation of the car, of when it's available, and then you'll get to choose the date you want it to be delivered. I hope this has been useful, and I hope you enjoy your On.To journey.